Dear student, good morning. Before I start my today's speech, सर्वांना महाराष्ट्र दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. Now you might be thinking what for this video is made now. So dear student, the time has come to wind up our academic year 2020-21. I remember standard 11th inaugural class when we were there to welcome you all virtually in the presence of our ex-principal Mrs. Helen Anthony Madam. And we were somewhere thinking that let it be only inaugural will be virtual, and we were expecting the entire year to come with you physically in the class and have our offline classes. But everything went against our wish, and nothing but we have spent the entire year online only. I remember all those problems, obstacles that we had during our online learning. But somewhere there was a ray of hope in the month of November when all of a sudden government asked us to come for offline or physical classes. We did start, we did run those classes for almost 1 month. But again, as you all know, the outbreak increased and again we had to come back to online. Never mind whether it was online, offline, but my dear student, I feel you all have enjoyed your standard 11th learning. Now for standard 12th, as you know that this was your important year, but unfortunately you were also not able to join us physically in the college. Like 11th standard, few months, for 12th also we had to go online. Again, like as I said, for 11, there was a ray of hope in the month of November that things will change, we can meet, we can guide, and you can learn. But again, it was not there to be continued. So we had to go back again online. Now, even for your exam, we just can't predict anything. But let us hope for the best. So now, the time has come to end up our academic year. So today, on this note, I would like to thank you all for being with us online, offline. I would even like to thank your parents for giving their continuous support, providing you all the data, recharge, phone, and many other gadgets. I would like to thank our principal madam, vice principal madam, even my colleague staff members, those who have taken utmost effort to complete this challenging academic year 2020. So all the best and be happy, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning to all my dear students. Guess what? Yes, it's time for vacation. It's time for you to dance, enjoy, relax, and rest. Dear students, in spite of the challenges of COVID pandemic, we Balvikasians have completed successfully this academic year, overcoming all the hurdles in online classes. Apart from studies, you all have participated in all the events throughout the year. Now it's time for you to enjoy your vacation. I'm sure each one of you might be eagerly waiting for your vacation. Though online, but vacation is an inevitable part of students' school life. My dear students, enjoy your vacation playing indoor games, helping your parents for household chores, reading books, and enjoy the stories forwarded to you on your class groups by your teachers every Saturday. Give relaxation to your eyes by avoiding excessive use of mobile. Stay safe and healthy. Remember to wash your hands, maintain personal hygiene, and use mask whenever you go out with your parents. Also, I am sure you all will enjoy the video forwarded to you on your class groups by your teachers with all the best wishes and your blessings by your teachers. Have fun filled vacation. And also a big thank you to all dear parents for your constant support, patience, and understanding. It definitely boosted the energy of all teachers while fulfilling their responsibilities towards your ward. I also would like to request all the parents to be alert on your class groups regarding your child's progress report, and also reopening of the school for the next academic year. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Lots of love and blessings to you all, my dear students. Happy vacation to you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My dear students, academic year 2020-21 is going to an end. It was a challenging year, but still we did not stop. We continued our journey and we have completed this academic year. With the studies, we have enjoyed many other competitions, sports competition, many celebrations, many inter-school level competitions, and this is only possible because of the great support of our management members, our principal Mrs. Nutan Kamble Miss, our vice principal Mrs. Kanchan Kadu Miss, and our supervisor Mr. Deepak Khatawkar sir. And we can't forget the great support and always our mentor Mrs. Helen Anthony ma'am, and always the great support of our both the IT teachers, that is Mrs. Sapna Dhotre Miss and Vaibhavi Miss, and they helped us a lot in online teaching. So I thank Sapna Miss and Vaibhavi Miss for your kind support and always cooperation. Session is going to end, students, but still for 12th standard, the most important part is your board exam is still remaining. So we have to prepare well for the board exam. Whatever the problem, still you can ask your teachers. Always teachers are there to support you. Definitely after the board exam, you will not be there with us. And definitely we all are going to miss you. But still our blessings and love always is there with you. Whenever you need, we are always there to support. On behalf of all the staff of junior college, I wish you all the best for your board exam and very happy, healthy and successful life ahead. Be safe, stay at home, all the best.
Good day, everybody. With due respect to all authorities of SMS and ET institutions, I, Mrs. Shobha Tingley, wish to speak about endeavors of SM's Junior College during academic year 2020-21. As we look back to year 2021, we can see so many ups and downs due to emergence of COVID-19 pandemic. It made everyone tech savvy. Within fortnight, we all teachers learned computer technology with help of our IT teachers and started teaching online from home and reached every student's house and guided them, which otherwise was beyond our imagination. Now the career of students is at stake. In an individual's life, classes 11th and 12th are very crucial in deciding their future career. So despite pandemic, we kept our teaching continued. All teachers have put lot of efforts to complete the theory and practical syllabus of both standard 11th and 12th of both streams, science and commerce. As a class teacher of 12th science, I'm happy to tell you all that all 82 students of 12th science responded in a very nice way. They were in contact with us either in online or offline classes. All have done their submissions, all have taken up prelim exams. Despite difficulties, this year we successfully carried out sports and co-curricular activities virtually. Competitions like Rangoli, poster making, master chef, debate, quiz, etc. were conducted, and we celebrated virtually many events like Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, AIDS awareness, Diwali, Teachers' Day, birthday of Savitribai Phule, Sankranti, Eid-e-Milad, Christmas, exhibition, annual day, and we also had a virtual tour. Apart from this, we conducted subject-wise assignments, projects, and tests, Google Form tests. From my perspective, I feel students are putting their 100% in preparation. Now we can only pray and hope that situation will return to normal. Board exams will be conducted and our students will get good results and they flourish in their future. Here, I wholeheartedly thank you all students for your cooperation throughout the year. My earnest request to you all is follow COVID protocols, eat properly, take care of health, stay home, stay safe, and utilize time properly. My best wishes and blessings to all of you students. Good luck. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear students and parents. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I would like to say thank to all management members, Principal Mrs. Nutan Kamble ma'am, Vice Principal Mrs. Kanchan Kadu ma'am, Supervisor Mr. Deepak Kataukar sir, and all colleagues. Dear students, this year was a different from other years. After 10th standard, you must have planned about your college life enjoyment. But because of COVID-19, it was not possible. But dear students, still we enjoyed a lot, many days offline and many days online. We found your hidden talent through a different online events, competitions and celebrations. Your submission work of assignments, practicals and project is appreciable. Now it's time to relax for some days. But remember, next academic year is the important year of your life, that is 12th standard. So be prepared yourself. Till then, very happy vacations. Be at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy your vacations. Thank you so much.
Good day, everyone. Respected management members, our principal, Mrs. Nudan Kamble ma'am, our vice principal, Mrs. Kanchan Kadu ma'am, supervisor, Mr. Deepak Kataukar sir, all my colleagues, parents, and dear students. This year, that is 2020-21, is going to an end. In this pandemic, we all have done a wonderful job. All teachers have taken a great efforts to connect you all and give you a good knowledge. I appreciate all the efforts taken by the students to grab the knowledge given by them and do hard work. I appreciate the efforts taken by the students to perform different activities and projects or practicals given by the teachers and submit it on time. I appreciate all the efforts taken by the students to do the extracurricular activities given to them by the teachers. The support from the parents was really valuable. Now it's time to take rest from the academics and enjoy your holidays. I hope you come with refreshed minds to the next academic year and do your studies for 12th standard. While enjoying your holidays, keep in mind, be safe, stay healthy, and enjoy your holidays with creativity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
नमस्कार, मी रवींद्र दीक्षित, पवनानगर मावळ. कोरोना काळामध्ये शाळा कॉलेजेस बंद होते, पण ऑनलाईन क्लासेस सुरू ठेवले. त्यामुळे प्रथमतः मी शिक्षकांचे आभार मानतो. शिक्षकांच्या मार्गदर्शनामुळे व ऑनलाईन क्लासेसमुळे मुलांचा थोड्याफार प्रमाणात फायदा झाला. त्यामुळे कोरोना काळामध्ये ऑनलाईन क्लासेस फायदेशीर ठरले असे मला वाटते. धन्यवाद.
Good evening, all the respected madam and teachers. Myself, Mrs. Shilpa Abhayendre, PTA member of the 11th Congress. Due to COVID-19 academic year 2020-21, all students attended through virtual classes. I want to give special thanks to our principal Madam Nutan Kamble, Vice Principal Kanchan Kadu Ma'am, Supervisor Deepak Khatawkar Sir. We all parents appreciate all the teachers for running this year very smoothly and successfully. All the activities, competitions, tests were taken online by teachers. All the teachers took great efforts for students' successful educational year. Thanks for giving me opportunity. Thank you.
Let me introduce myself. I am Dhananjay Mature. I did BTech Civil from NIT, MI from Mumbai. I am Chartered Engineer. Prathamesh Nair, who is studying in your Bal Vikas High School in 12th standard, is my grandson. During pandemic of COVID-19, which started in March 2020, it was very difficult time for school management and staff to teach students since there were strict restrictions for taking regular classes. Due to these restrictions, school authorities have arranged for online and offline classes. Keeping view of student health protection and academic career, school has successfully managed pandemic situation. So I am thanking management, principal, vice principal, supervisors for arranging online and offline classes. Thanks to teachers for taking effort to teach online and also taking pains for offline classes. Thanks to office staff, kakas and aunties for their relentless work of sanitization during offline classes. Thank you very much.
गुड मॉर्निंग. मी अनुजा नितीन शिंदे, 12 कॉमर्सची PTA मेंबर. सर्वप्रथम आमच्या डिव्हिजनच्या सर्व पालकांकडून प्रिन्सिपल नूतन मॅडम, व्हाईस प्रिन्सिपल कांचन मॅडम, सुपरवायझर खटावकर सर तसेच सर्व टीचर्सचे मनापासून आभार मानते. 2020-21 एक शैक्षणिक वर्ष कोविडमुळे ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने घेण्यात आले. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे पूर्ण शिक्षण, परीक्षा तसेच त्यांचे अभ्यासासंदर्भात ज्या अडचणी होत्या त्या त्यांनी ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने घेऊन यशस्वी केल्या व विद्यार्थ्यांचे शिक्षण हे ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने यशस्वी केले. तुमचे व तुमच्या शिक्षकांच्या चांगल्या सहकार्यामुळेच हे शक्य झाले. त्याबद्दल मी तुम्हा सर्वांचे पुन्हा एकदा मनापासून आभार मानते व माझे 2 शब्द संपवते. थँक्यू.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. I, Mrs. Kanchan Praveen Kadu, Vice Principal Bal Vikas Vidyalay, would like to share a small message to you all on the occasion of the 30th of April 2021, which regards the end of our academic year 2020-21. I extend my deep felt gratitude to our dear students and our dear parents for having extended a wonderful wholehearted support throughout the year. Dear parents, thank you so much for being the strong pillars that stood by us in this pandemic Corona-19. Without your support, it wouldn't have been possible. For all the timeless effort that you have put in, for the support that you have given to the children at home so that they could take the online classes smoothly and in tune with the teachers who are working on Zoom. Thank you once again, dear parents. Thank you. I would now like to thank our dear students. Thank you, dear students. You have and you are an integral part of the teaching fraternity's life. Without you, our life as teachers is impossible. We missed you all throughout the year 2020-21. We missed those noisy, chaotic classes, those playgrounds, those ceremonies, those celebrations. We missed you in every nook and corner of our building. But it was an advantage for us that we could connect to you through Zoom platform. Thank you for being such lovely students even in this pandemic. Thank you for following all the instructions that the teachers gave you, for the kind support that you did give to the teachers in submitting your assignments, being obedient and naughty of course sometimes. Along with that, participating in co-curricular activities, doing your sports, your yoga very, very meticulously. Thank you, dear students. I also would like to thank our management, the core committee, for giving us an extended helping hand, guidance and support that we needed to face the challenges that came towards us in this pandemic. Dear teachers, dear staff, teaching, non-teaching office staff, and of course, not the least to mention our respected principal, Mrs. Nutan Kamble ma'am, for being the guiding light and the support that the institution needed. On this note, I would also like to wish you all a very happy summer vacation. May this vacation bring joy to each one of you. On this note, praying that let coronavirus be washed away from the face of India and let the God Almighty bless us with bountiful of love, health and the life that we all missed this entire year. We would like to come back to the same normal that we all lived in. My dear children, my dear parents, my dear staff, times have been tough. We all went through the ups and downs, but we all stood together for each other, and that has made all the difference. On this note, I wish you all a very happy life ahead, healthy life ahead, irrespective of the pandemic that has caused us so much of damage. Let us all stand together, motivate each other, be an inspiration to each other, stand strong for each other so that we can scale greater heights and continue with our journey ahead relentlessly. Thank you once again. Thank you.
I'm gonna make it.